All right. Here this morning, picking up a 63 Porsche 356B. Let's go see what we can see. She wants us to back all the way up the driveway, but I've never been here before, so we're gonna go suss it out first. It looks like it's pretty large up here, but just want to make sure. Don't want to get myself jammed into anything. Gotta let her know about the tire marks too. Especially with the angle of this drive, I'm gonna have to cut it pretty crazy at some point. Oh my gosh, where's the freaking garage? Oh man. Okay. Yeah, oh, it's on that side. There's two.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, I definitely can.
Big vehicles again.
Yeah, no, I definitely can. I just want to let you know about the tire marks, because it's going to leave pretty gnarly tire marks because it's a dually and it's kind of heavy. I just want to make sure you're okay with that.
Well,
they'll wash away when it rains or whatever, but
yeah.
I just always let people know.
Yeah, otherwise, I mean, you'd have to push it.
All the way over there, yeah. Which,
neutral, it might start running fast.
Right.
Unless you want to, can we push it to there?
Yeah, we can push it to just right here. I just want to let you know about the tire mark. That's the only thing. Yeah, all right. Let me back up.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, it makes a terrible sound. It's like boom, boom, boom. I've never heard that sound before.
The car?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. Okay. Right. Looks like there used to be something there to the left. Wonder what it was. Beautiful property though. At the end of a cul-de-sac too. It's nice. Walk my fat ass all the way back over here. I'm low on fuel, that's why the truck is off. Trying to conserve what I can. Fuel station's only a couple miles away, but I just always get nervous about running my truck out, obviously. Diesel. Going up. Gotta take the wide route around the little median thing, obviously. That way we don't have to turn as sharp too. This driveway is great though. All the room in the world. I've just never been here before, so I wanted to make sure. Oop, turn too sharp. All good. Oop. On the rocks over here. Don't want that. So that is potential for a flat tire for me, and I don't need that. Those are big rocks. All right. All right. Let me get my pictures of it, and then we will push it out and get it out of here.
Okay.
It's going to Bex, right?
Yeah, Bex.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm guessing you talked to
I talked to
Frank
Kimberly and
or Kim,
actually,
yeah.
Cameron just right now answered, but I talked to Kimberly.
Oh, okay, cool. Very good.
Yeah, it was just there. All tuned up and running good.
This was?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I went to start it, well, Sunday.
Yeah.
And
It's making a nasty sound, like
I've never heard anything like that before.
it's like as it's trying to start or once it does start?
No, it doesn't start at all.
Oh.
I mean, the battery is fine. It
Huh.
turns over. It's just like clunk, 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 clunk.
Okay.
Oh my God, so.
Yeah, obviously we won't try then.
Yeah, it doesn't run.
No. Let's see. You roll the window down here. Actually, can I have you sit in it and steer it for me while I push you out?
Yeah.
Perfect. That'd be a lot better and give me more peace of mind. Just be ready on the brakes, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. You are perfectly fine. And then we want to go this way, obviously. So we want the front facing the rear of my truck.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. Take your time.
Okay, huh?
All right. Close the door for me just in case.
Yeah.
All right. Let me go on this side so I can see. Yeah, I just can't get any traction because of the floor.
Hang on now.
Try now.
Why doesn't it go?
Is it in gear? There you go. I think it was in gear. Maybe. She's just heavy.
Just barely open. I got another person to get that.
Okay.
Because if I open the door, my dog's gonna run out.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm out here.
Right. He's looking for you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this too. Yeah.
Yeah, don't let that see because he's trying to get out. Yeah. Tell Tom to sit still. Go tell him where you're going. She's strong.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just need to turn slight, and then once we get past that little place over there, then we just cut it more. Yeah. Hello. You might need shoes because the floor is kind of slippery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's funny, it's like slowly creeping itself.
Is it moving?
Yeah, I can hear the tires moving.
Oh yeah, I can see
You
it.
hear?
Yeah, I can see it. I'm watching that.
Yeah. Yeah. Just ever so slightly.
Maybe it'll roll itself out.
Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it was just stuck to the floor. Go ahead and turn it. Yep. Not that much. Yeah, you're good. Hold it right there. Oh man. There we go. Almost. All right, turn more. Oh shit. All right. And brake. All right, back the other way. Turn to the left if you can. All right. And keep it left, keep it left. Now back to the right. Perfect, right there. All right, yeah, you can just set the parking brake and then I will take it from there.
Okay, should I leave it in neutral or?
Yeah, leave it in neutral for me. When it's up there too, I'm gonna leave it in neutral so it's not sitting there rocking back and forth on the gears.
Okay.
All right. Okay, thank you. All right. Oh man. Today's my mom's birthday. Not that it matters to any of you guys, but happy birthday, Mom. I don't know if she watches my videos. I don't think so, but all right. This and this. What the hell? All right. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly where I need them. All right. All right. Just gonna put our parking brake down and we will begin our journey.
Yeah, it's a parking brake.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, that big silver thing.
Yes, ma'am. All right. I'll make sure I roll the window up too once I get it all sorted.
Yeah. It's a nice thing.
Oh yeah. Right.
I didn't realize.
Yeah. I'm sure you love the construction sounds, right? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Not, I wouldn't think so. Heck no. All right, let me just watch the rear end here. No, I think we're good. Okay. I'll double check the rear end as we go up too. Okay. I just want to make sure we're not going to drag it. Yeah, we're good. Keeps wanting to turn. I think one of the hubs or something is like, or one of the calipers in the front is starting to like clamp down and it's not supposed to, like it's seizing.
Oh.
I think it's the front right because it keeps wanting to turn that way.
Oh.
I absolutely will, yeah. You can see it, it's already turning itself. See that? Yeah. Yeah, they just, you know, they after they sit too, they start to get, you know, kind of cold to themselves.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get it strapped down and we are good to go. I'm sure you saw, but only a soft strap to pull it up and then soft straps around the tires to tie it down.
Yeah.
No metal to metal.
Yeah. I'm always amazed how you guys are so good at this.
I appreciate that, yeah. We do our best. All right.
I've had enough cars hauled off.
Oh, I'm sure.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. I always tell everybody that. I'm like, it's a pleasure doing business, but hopefully I don't see you too soon.
Yeah.
And Bex referred you to us, I take it.
I'm sorry, what?
Bex?
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you called cars before.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from Bex.
Very good. So that way I can give you a little discount. With a card.
Right.
Yeah.
Right now?
Yes, please. All right. Get this thing up to Bex. All right, let me just turn this off real quick. All right, pick up at the drop off. Backing into Bex European. Oops, sorry, mail guy. Didn't see a USPS. Thank you. You dig it. All right. Hopefully he's not trying to go out this way. Don't think so. Porsche. Come on. Sorry if you're missing the commentary. I just don't really have much to say right now. Standard stuff. Not mad about it. Great looking car. Just not a cab fan. ramps at the pickup, so hopefully it doesn't need them here. I don't think it will, but let's see. I think we have even more room here. Just want to make sure though. Oh, yep, good to go. All right. I forgot the parking brake was on. I think. Did I set the parking brake? No. It's not in gear. Oh, it was on still a little bit. Okay. That little bit that it was on, oh my gosh, that's crazy. It was only pulled out like half an inch. That's probably why it was turning at the pickup. Thought we had it all the way off. That's my bad. All right. Always tether your winch. Set parking brake, good to go. That's probably why it was so hard to push at the pickup too. Yeah, that thing works, that's crazy. All right, let's get our drop-off picture. Call it good. Dun, dun, dun. Victor. That'll do it. Get you guys on the next one.